Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm recording. Hello. Good morning, friends. This is your friend Karthik here, trying to do a conversation with Mr. Kate, popularly known as Kate Sir, in his society, which is Bhumi Arcade at Kandivali East. This society, under the leadership of Mr. Kate, has won various awards, both from the government and from other bodies. And he's a regular person in the press in terms of what his society has done as a typical and excellent housing society. The intent of this video is to record some of the things that Mr. Kate has already done, to get to know a little more about him and probably other societies, because all of us, we do live in cooperative housing societies. And as I jokingly say, the cooperative societies, though they are cooperative in nature, are very uncooperative in so many other things that is expected of a civil behavior of staying in a housing society, especially in urban cities like Bombay or Ahmedabad or Pune or whatever. So welcome, Mr. Kate. Nice to have you on this. This is an experiment we are doing on Zoom. We will record it and we'll try and share it with family and friends and colleagues who would be interested to know about this. So, Mr. Kate, I will address you as Kate, sir, as you are popularly known in the society. I know I know you are connected with aviation. So how does aviation help you in doing what you are doing in your society at Bhumi Arcade? You can tell us about your society as well, and then you can tell us about what the special things you have done for your society.
Yeah, see, last 37 years I'm working in aviation. I'm connected with the safety equipment of aircraft. And the safety comes first for all the passengers and for the aircraft and for the nation, for the company, everyone. So when safety is there, the same safety concern I try to follow in my society also. We have the latest advanced modern technology for the firefighting systems. Any smoke detector can detect the smoke and the alarm system is on, and there will be 9 people getting call. I'll be the first person will getting call on that wherever I am, and then it will be like attended. What are the false call or it is a real call or whatever. So like this, so many safety I have introduced in my society. Apart from the lift and fire, and we conduct fire fighting training for the residents. We how to use the instruments, what are the fire this one objects are there, then how to use the fire extinguishers. It was demonstrated for all residents, and my team, my security staff, they are already trained. And every year we conduct the firefighting drill in the society and demonstrate the things how we can be safe in the society. After the conducting that demonstration, we assemble in the one air conditioned hall, and then we share the information, what you found, what were the gaps, what you understood in that. Did you understand what we did? What were the things further? So there will be group leader, and the group leader what he has to do. So all thing we do, and then they say this the gap. Then we introduce that we try to remove that gap in the next cycle. So apart from that, we did lots of things. Saving in the expenses. We are the one society. We are ISO standard.
Oh, you are
Last
ISO standard, is
5
it?
years.
So which portion of your
Yeah, we
society
are
activity is
ISO
under ISO?
standard. Yes, we have certificate, and it was renewed after 3 years, and still we are continuing with that ISO. So
which
when ISO is
activity?
there, then everything.
So which
activities all like it is like everything. It comes in that everything. Your expenses, how you can control the expenses, and how see safety measure is there. Then expenses is there. Complaint monitoring. How can you monitor the complaint? How many days it takes to resolve the complaint?
So
These all the things comes under that.
So total society management is under ICO, not only a certain portion of the society activity.
No, everything. It is like all the services. We see the services. We see the complaint. How many complaints are come and how complaints are resolved. Any pending this one. It is as per the ISO.
Okay. So just to give a brief
example.
So just to
So
give a
example, since
hmm,
beginning 2010 to till now, we have all recorded all electricity consumption and the electricity bill. So this month, it is a surprise to listen to everyone, to me also. Normally 45 to 50,000 we get electricity bill in a month for the full society, common bill, and we got the bill of 420 rupees only.
oh, what a big saving, great saving.
It,
Yeah. And how
yeah,
did you
yeah.
achieve
It is
that?
it is due to that. Yeah, it is achievement means actually to avoid the movement of the residents. I thought that we should stop the lift by 12 to 5. We minimize the usage. If any emergency is there or medical ground or anything is there, then it can be turned on for 5-10 minutes. Otherwise, 12 to 5 it is closed down, and 12 to 5 is the solar peak time to produce the electricity, and whatever it is electricity produced that got exported to Adani services, and that 1700 units got credited in my bill. So
Oh,
normally in a normal case 300 to 400 units per month it was getting credit, but it was so amazing, it came to 1700 units got credit in
oh,
the bill. So the bill came to 1200 units, and we have 65,000 security deposit. From that we got that interest we get in the March, that because of that also they reduced 12,400 something, and the bill was 400, bill is 420 rupees.
yeah. So just to give a brief about the society for people who may not know Bhumi Arcade. Bhumi Arcade is situated in Kandivali East. It has 19
Yes.
floors. It's about
Yeah.
96 flat owners, and it
No,
has
we
two.
have
Uh,
we actually we are a 19-story building. In that 72 members are staying, and
okay.
apart from that, we have a small part of the another building that is 2 stories building,
Mm-hmm.
and that 2 stories building 4 members are staying.
Mm-hmm.
Builder has constructed the same time, but it was not the possession was not given,
Mm-hmm.
and they were then they club with us our membership.
I see.
There
And
also
the,
the even 4 stories 2 stories building is there. We have a lift there.
mm-hmm.
We have a electronic gate. No one can enter there.
I
Any
see.
residents, yeah, we have electronic gate. Only those residents that have access to go inside the lift, inside the premises, and our special like me or our security staff or housekeeping staff with their thumb impression or ID, that card, they can enter. If
Right. Right.
anyone comes as a guest or something, through the intercom they can call from down, and they can
Mm.
unlock the door from sitting in the house.
Mm. Mm. Ah, okay.
So it is
Yeah.
remotely controlled.
I see. Uh,
Yeah,
Also, you have got solar system. You got a swimming pool. You got a gym.
yeah,
You got
yeah,
a community hall
yes,
which is available for use by members.
yeah,
And
yeah,
so, what are the major things that you have done which has got you prizes? I know you got some awards from the government of Maharashtra. So, what are the special
yeah,
things that you have done which probably other
yeah,
societies have not done and which you have taken the initiative and probably the first or
yeah,
so in Maharashtra?
yeah. See what happened when you manage the society, from the when audit part, any finance audit or anything, it comes the first question: how many defaulter in the managing committee? That is the first question the auditor asks. We have zero since beginning. Any member from the society defaulter? We said the zero. We get advance payment from the members, which is some of the members they pay for next year also. Digital. Since the beginning,
I see.
we have
I see.
in-house our software to maintain. We have manager sitting here, day to day enters in that. That also makes easy job for the society to handle.
True.
So many society they don't have their in-house now lockdown, no. So some of the society, my neighbor society, so far they are not generated bill. See, since April, May, now it is May ended, but
Right.
my quarterly billing was done in the on time. My bill also got, my payment also got on time. I insisted many people do the digital payment, and we have 25% plus members. They pay annually one check.
Oh,
They pay by one check.
so you
So
give
when they
them
pay
cash
one check,
discount?
we give 2% of that. Suppose your bill is 60,000 rupees, so 1,200 he has to reduce from the total, and that much he has to pay once. And then the bill will generate next bill that will be credit the amount.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, uh,
So this way
so
it
how
becomes
long,
easy to maintain.
how old is your society?
Yeah, we have 2009 August, May 2009 OC,
I
and
see.
the society has started on 2nd October 2009.
And
And
this
I
is
am
a,
the
and your secretary since inception?
since the beginning I am the only secretary here,
Okay.
and then handling everything,
I,
every
I
in and
must
out.
tell I must tell our listeners that he is a very popular secretary, and that's why he's popularly known, fondly known as Kate sir. And he's there for all social, good or bad or sad events that happen in any member's place. So a lot of personal. So what prompted you to become a secretary? Because these days nobody wants to be an office bearer of any society because it's a thankless job, and there are more
Mhm.
briquettes than any flowers that are offered to you, bouquets that are offered to you. So what made you start, join, and continue doing this so successfully? What is that motivating force that you have? What is that idea that you have?
See, ideal thing that I have some knowledge about maintaining and cooperating the people, bringing together people since beginning, last 30, 35 years. Earlier also I was secretary one society. That was
Oh.
my big society, was 40 members. And then I was out of country, then I was not touching that. Then
Hmm.
after that, again, I got opportunity to serve the people, to improve the systems, so that our see my billing right now, if you see my billing, my maintenance bill 2009 what I fixed,
Uh,
right now also 2020 we are running with the same rate,
Maintenance
same
charge per square
services,
feet.
square feet is the same rate. We are not charge any penny extra, or
After
we
11
so many
years.
things. Yeah, 2009 to 2020 we are not increased any penny in the maintenance. We did so lots of things. We have waste management system. We have a solar system. There is no contribution. We replace 50% main pipelines. We did borewell. There is no contribution. We have changed all LED light. We have installed sensors to reduce the electricity consumption. But there is no penny contribution.
Excellent.
Yeah, and then we assemble. We whenever we have the common function, like we have a dinner, we call everyone for that. We don't say only two coupons or four coupons, whatever. Then
Oh,
even if your sudden guest comes, that guest also can join us. When the guest
oh.
comes and you are busy with cooking, then I'll be unhappy with that. So I insist even guests should come and
Excellent.
enjoy with us.
Excellent. So you celebrate both
And for that
Ganpati and
also
Navaratri also, isn't it?
yeah, we have see five festivals, that is Ganpati, Holi, Navratri, and then flag hosting 15th August and 26th January. Apart from that, we conduct like one Earth Hour that comes third Saturday of every year, third Saturday of March every year. The Earth Hour is your local time 8:30 to 9:30. You close maximum electricity, and you can so to achieve that, I selected that let us sit in the garden, so minimum electricity will be consumed and would be in the garden, so that all the flats electricity, ACs,
Oh,
TV will be off. So once it that opportunity I got, it was India Pakistan match, and I organized one like a TV with snacks, everything. So 4 hours, everyone was in the garden enjoying and cheering our cricketers.
and saving electricity as well.
We save. It is not a saving. It's a Earth Hour. It's worldwide. It is contributed every single citizen,
Hmm.
so that your temperature, what we say now, temperature has gone to 42,
Hmm.
44.
Hmm.
That 44 can be brought down to 40. 4
I
degree
see.
can be come down. That 1 hour contribution.
I see. Okay. Excellent.
Only awareness is not there. Some people are doing, even Eiffel Tower lights also gets off for 1 hour.
I see.
Opera House, Sydney also gets off for 1 hour.
I see.
But
Mhm.
still, some people should contribute, and then I
Yeah.
get some, for this occasion we get sponsorship also. Once
Mm.
Indian Express, they have sponsored some digital cameras, goggles like this. Those who participate for this.
I see. So
Yeah,
during this COVID period, almost 60 days, we are under lockdown, and you are doing again
yeah.
many activities for the benefit. You have ensured a good, safe, healthy environment, and you are doing so many things for the convenience of your members. So, can you share some of the things that you have done for the members?
Yeah, see what happened. This is a challenge for every citizen, every worldwide. It is not for me or my society, or not for the Mumbai or Maharashtra. Everyone it has a challenge, and no one is aware what is to be done next. Today, what we did, tomorrow, what we should done. So I thought myself, how I can be active in this part for my family, as my society, my neighborhood society, my along all 11 society on my road. How we can do the best for the people. So first thing, when it is introduced in my society, the lockdown was announced on 22nd March. So then I announced why we should not start 2 days early.
Oh, is it?
So we started on 20th only.
Oh,
So
excellent.
minimize movement, so that and then government guidelines has come after I think 27 or 28 March something.
Yeah.
Use sanitize,
Mm,
do this one, keep
mm,
distance.
mm.
But in my society, 7th March itself, I introduced sanitize and taking a temperature all the entry, all the who are making entry in the society. Only thing, it was not recorded, but we were checking the temperature and sanitize for everyone.
Oh,
then
and
then I thought, see, then what happened, I not stop with that, my society only. So when in my society premises, there are two societies, there are common area for both the society. There are lots of things to be handled. See, when I do something, rules and regulation, then others are not following, then it will be affect to me also. So earlier policy of BMC, if any person found a positive, COVID positive, they seal full complex, and then if happened my neighbor society, my society also will be sealed. So I thought, let have some forum, different forum. Those are from my committee members, one from club committee and other committee. So I found, then the people, they appreciated. The first thing what we achieved in that, we sanitize both the society, not only that society, in my Atmaran Samut Road, all 11 society, for the benefit of the all residents. It was free of charges. We were trying from the PCI to have sanitized. It was worth of 9,000. Even that also getting schedule was a big challenge. Finally, I called the president of the PCI, and it was scheduled. But my good luck, or you can say bad luck also, that one day before, that free complimentary was managed by our local MLA.
I
So
see.
we dropped that idea to pay 9,000. Then we thought, why should not have our own machine, and we ourselves we can do that. We should not depend upon another person. So in the forum, both the society we discussed, and we bought one machine with the material also. So weekly basis we sanitize the things.
Excellent. Excellent. So, coming,
So that
what are the
whatever
other things?
experience is there,
Hmm.
yeah.
Some other
Yeah,
things too,
see,
for because it's
when
been
you
60
think
days
about
now.
the
Hmm.
yeah, see what then it is a safety measure for the sanitize, but apart from that, how can I avoid the movement of the persons? So persons, his essential things he will go out to buy. For medicine he has to go. Even medicine also, he WhatsApp me. I can manage. My staff can go, or I can send a message to the chemist. He can deliver to the residents. But if it is special case or something, or special alternate not allowed something, then he has to go. That is no other way.
Alternative, yeah,
See,
yeah.
essential thing what is required. Every person required a brain, bread, eggs, or fruits, or
Vegetables.
milk, vegetables.
Hmm.
So vegetable, the day first it was announced closed down. The third day we are myself organized from my volunteers worth of 60,000 vegetable and fruits. It was distributed to all the residents.
Oh,
It was the starting point only, and then when you do for the residents, they are means like happy with that. Then when you are happy, we should do some charity also. So we thought our maids also should distribute this free of charges, the vegetable and fruits. So those were contact in about 25 maids. We distributed the vegetables and fruits to them.
oh, excellent. So coming,
So
yeah. So
uh,
this is an excellent job. I think not many societies do. Are you aware of other societies doing these kinds of things, or you are an exception and a
yeah,
lone
other
ranger?
society. Yeah, other society, even I am staying in the one Bhumi Market complex. In my
Hmm.
society, what we are doing, my next society is not doing other than arranging the vegetables stall.
Oh,
Other than that, they are not doing anything. So I take care for the bread, whatever next tomorrow, what they required. This
excellent.
one, idli butter, vada butter, whatever things also. No? Because
So
when we're fed up with, so when I think they are fed up with the bread, let them have some change, so they
yeah.
become happy.
So you're treating all your members as your family members, so that what you would want to do,
Yes,
you're
yes,
doing
yes,
it for
that
all the
kind. Yes, yes,
members.
yes. In between, I shared my members
Uh,
all alphabetical. So, example, we have SHA, SHH Shaha members, 11 people.
uh,
So next is the Jain, is the
uh,
9. So
uh,
I made like a tree,
uh-huh. So they
like a
are,
tree.
it's
See,
a family tree.
like
It's a surname tree.
yeah, it's a family tree. Family tree. I'm Kate single, so my name is alphabetical down like that. So it is a
Ex-
family. They were surprised. Oh, this is the family. This is Bhumi family. So,
Excellent.
so
Excellent.
whatever. See, what I think. Why people go out? What are their requirement? If we think about requirement, if the requirement is met, then he will definitely will not go out.
Correct. And support the lockdown, and to that extent be
Yes,
safe and make
yes,
everybody
yes,
else around him safe.
yes, yes.
Mm.
And one or two people they saying as per their choice or their sometimes they say it's costly vegetable or something. They go out. Then for them also I said even it's costly or something, but of 100 rupees to buy, you only don't decide because if you save 100 rupees, that is going to be cost us more than the crores of rupees.
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course. So,
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah.
so I have a basic question which I thought I must ask you before we sort of end. That what are the challenges
Yeah.
you face? You've been a secretary for 11 years, you were secretary in your previous society also. So, what are the challenges you
Yeah.
think which are facing other societies? Because typically, a cooperative movement actually should be very successful, and you
Mhm.
are an example, you are a living example, and you're continuing to do it very successfully. But we don't find many cooperative societies. As you said, even your next door society is not as
Mm.
cooperative as probably your society is. So this is
Yeah.
a standard challenge, regular challenge that every society has. So in your view, what are the few issues, few areas where if members can think a little differently, the societies can become really cooperative societies?
Yeah. See, first time what happened? What are the see? We should make some systems. See, ISO says the system should be there and system will work, not a person. Example. We have the billing system. My Bharat Cooperative Bank they make a billing. So that also billing also we are not making. We don't print also. So when the Bharat Cooperative make a bill, it can mail to the members by soft copy, and then whatever payment comes, it goes to their account, and they keep all account. Suppose my flat number 1001, they know what is my balance. If it is my outstanding is there, lateness is there, or my extra payment is there, they will keep all the records. That become easy. That is one kind of system. Suppose my manager is now 2 months not coming my office, even though bills were generated and system has worked. So system, it should bring it to system. So initially, when I started as a secretary here, and I was working about normally 11:30, 12 o'clock evening to spend time to make a system. This, what you find. Then maids we have different system. We have biometric system. We have then digital entry book for the maids. They earlier we made a file where from she has come. They're all data. So these systems only works. In between, I shared all members my what are the entries for the all maids, what time they come, which flat they have visited. So digital entry also can be traced, and that become easy. And the adaptation of the latest mode of the digital is become easy. Example, see maid. See if I see one maid entry 22nd April, no 22nd April it was closed down, but 22nd February, what time my maid enter in my society and which are the flats she has visited, I can trace right now. So this data, this advanced data makes easy for everyone to cope up with every challenges.
Right.
So
Right.
systems works, and systems, if you make a system, if then you can improve the system, you can change the system. If it is failure in there, you can improve, you
Can
can change,
always.
you can adapt.
And
So
you are
like that.
getting audited also because of your ISO, so you can always have
Yeah,
feedback on
we are
your
getting
systems.
audit. Yeah, we are getting
Yeah.
audit by this one. Then whenever we file a nomination for the Best Society Award, these people they come for the audit, and their findings also or suggestions we improve so that we can. Uh, Example, I say when the BMC started the fire officer started auditing the society. I think 2011 something, mid of the 2011, and the fire officer came here to audit the society. So I got call from my security. The fire officer has come. So I came from my Gorega office to society, and he was surprised. He appreciated that wherever I go and ask the security, and if they intercom the secretary or chairman, is there any secretary chairman available? And the secretary, even staying in house, is saying, tell them I'm not there. And all the way I came from Goregaon to Kandivali. Then I said my society, my premise is getting audited by some authorized person, and that is free of charges. And whatever drawbacks, whatever gaps are there, that can be refilled. I take that positive and then to fulfill that. So this is the one example. No, you should positive that. You should not think that officer has come to
Harass you
finding
or
your
find
mistakes.
faults.
Your mistakes. Yeah,
Hmm.
mistakes can be there. See, my what I'm doing may not be correct for other one. If he suggests, I can improve myself.
Very true. Very true.
Yeah. See,
So
when
can
now
you
exam.
can you list
Yeah.
some of the awards? You said that Maharashtra you're filling entry for some award of Maharashtra. So can you tell us what are the
Yeah.
awards that the society has won?
Yeah. 2011, there was like a nomination was filed about 2,700 society in Mumbai, and to see the management, safety, and new technology adoption. There were three columns, three objectives. So, so one team came. We were shortlisted for. We were shortlisted by seeing our full data when we filled up the form. And that time it was not digital. It was handwritten or printed form was submitted hard copy. But now after that it became digital. Just online fill up the form, so information goes. So when we fill up the form, they get information. See example, they are asking, do you have solar system? When you say yes, then say, is it active? It is operational or not operational? So that gets good. That information goes that yeah, operational means it is working. Do you have the waste management system, whether it's active or inactive? That also, when you answer, that information goes to them and they say, oh, they are doing something. So from among that, they shortlist, and the seven people, they came for the audit. So I was the person handling with them, and then asking. My manager also was there. Whatever accounts questions they asked, finances they asked, and they wanted to take a interview of my one of the residents. Then I said, go one senior citizen, and whatever you can ask them, and they were very convinced. Then after that, while closing that audit, I asked, what are the shortfall? what are the things I need to do that to improvement my society? They said, nothing, sir. If next team comes, if you are shortlisted for next round, next team may say, but we don't have anything. Whatever our expectation, you are doing more than that. So we don't have anything to say that you adopt this system or why this system is not working or why can't you do this. So then I was speechless for that time.
And you won
So
that
then
award,
next
isn't it?
yeah. So that award was announced such a way that we got a letter from that organization, and then it was called us for Ravindra Natya Mandir, and he said the secretary and chairman only come for the that presentation.
Function.
And I took my, it was an opportunity. I called my all the committee members, whatever possible, just come and see what we achieve and whether we are eligible for this award or not. It was not announced when our function was going on. That time it was announced our
Oh,
name.
okay. Okay. I see.
Yeah, we were the fifth in that. There were 11 societies selected, and I'm very proud that in Kandivali there are two society. One is Marigold in the Thakur village, and myself in Ashok Nagar.
I see. I see.
Yeah. So that time Abhishek Bachchan was there, Cooperative Minister Harshavan Patil was there, all retired judges, all many people. Even I was happy to see our earlier Marathi news reader. I forgot his name. He was also there. So that was the see. Uh, it was 1 lakh rupees was cash award was there, one certificate and trophy. So then I thought, let us cheers this our achievement with all our members. So I got next festival. It was Gudi Padwa. I called all the members in the hall, and we shared our experience and how we are became the best society. Then to it is not only getting a base society, but maintaining it in base society award.
Right.
So always I say we are not a base. There are the rooms. There are the gaps. There are the chances to improve. We should
True.
improve daily basis, monthly basis, or quarterly basis, yearly basis, so that
True.
we can improve in that whatever things are
True.
there. And
Excellent.
one of the my members, senior citizen, he said everybody should stand up and give this cheers to
Standing
all the managing
ovation.
committee.
Yeah.
Stand, yeah.
Yeah.
And then he's saying it is not worth of 1 lakh rupees. It is worth of that time we were 72 members. He said every flat 1 lakh rupees cost our value is increased
True. True.
because of
True.
our award. Our flat rate is 1 lakh is increased. It
Oh,
is it is
minimum.
not one. It is not 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh plus 72. It is 73 lakhs. Award is for 73 lakhs.
Oh, very true. Very true.
I remember those words. One senior citizen, he has shared. He has announced that it is not. It is worth of 73 lakhs.
True. And
So
more.
to celebrate that, we call the neighborhood society also chairman secretary. So what are the process we are undergone, and also they can also participate in next one, so that that other society also aware.
True. So
So
yeah, so that's excellent. I think I really try to get as much information as I can. Would you want to share something special as a message to other societies before we close, Mr. Kate?
yeah, see, first thing is when you are doing this honorary job, the devotion, the time is a big important. See, I'm working. Even I'm going to be 60 now, and there is I reach to my position. There is no retirement. If I medical pass, I can be continue till I I can do. So
Yeah.
there is no retirement for
Till
me.
you
But
choose
even
to
I'm
hang your
working.
boots. Yeah.
I'm, yes. Still I'm working. I'm managing my family. I'm managing my relatives, my friends. I'm doing my society work. I'm busy. And then what happened? When people they said yeah, you should be getting, you should be awarded. I said your smile gives me more than the award.
Oh,
When
excellent.
happen to meet, they smile gives me more than award. I said award is not nothing that will be given. I'll forget, but your daily smile, it is giving me my this one more than the award.
So that's your motivation, keeping people happy and smiling at
Yeah,
you.
that is my motivation.
Hmm.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
excellent,
yes,
excellent.
yes. See,
But as a,
whatever small points,
hmm,
small. Yeah. See, small help. See, like that, when we have started the society, that time the electricity was on builder's name, all electricity
hmm,
bill,
hmm.
bills. So I have myself, I introduced a system. I got the form from Reliance and fill up. I got it filled by the members. I submitted to Reliance and got the change, their name change. Then some people they wanted to go for the Tata Power. That also we got it. So when you do collectively, no, it becomes easy for the members. Some people they don't know how to change my name in this one, and then they go some person they said no, it costs some 500 rupees. You give me 500 rupees, and then I will do for you. So why we need to pay? There is no charges for this. There is no charges at all.
True.
So this all small things. Nowadays we have one a chairman of the group of the Children's Academy. He is my
Hmm,
member here, and many
hmm.
people they approach for the child admission and then change of the school, and that also due to my good relation with Rohan sir here, and that also mostly it happens. So
Oh,
so because
excellent.
my residents, my members, they don't want to go to Rohan sir because they said he's a big person. Why how we can talk him, and then
Right, right,
they, how
right,
whether he'll be oblige us or not.
right, right,
They come through me, and then it there happens.
right,
But Rohan
right,
sir also he knows that what I'm doing. It is like bottom of my heart I'm doing, so that
true,
he tries to help
true.
me.
Yeah, thank you
See
so
every
much.
meeting.
Yeah, hmm. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
go ahead, go ahead.
yeah.
Hmm.
So every meeting, when we call the meeting, any meeting or any financial record to check with the members or sharing the members. Yeah,
Yeah,
are you there?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, I missed you. Can you repeat? I missed you. I think
No, no, there
hmm.
was an incoming call. I
Oh,
declined the
okay,
call.
okay, okay.
That's why I'm missing.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah.
So, so many things. What happened? You should think what I did yesterday, whether
Hmm.
it can work today or tomorrow. Now in this
Hmm.
lockdown system,
Hmm.
the COVID has changed the all system. See, last March, what I had made a regulations, that is not workable now.
True,
Yeah, so
true.
I have to change daily basis. I have to change this one. I have to change this one. See, earlier my milk supply I was putting in the for all residents in the lift, floor wise, first to fifth, six to 10, and 11 to 15, and 16 to 19 one carrot. And but some people they were not taking on time. So when my security staff, my housekeeping staff comes, then they comes in contact with this to avoid this. Then I thought, why this system is not working. Then I made one storage box on every floor. As soon as the milk comes, one batch of the milk will be stored. It will kept in the storage box. Whenever you get up or whenever you need, you can take from that. So you will not be in contact with the others.
True, true.
So
Yeah,
whatever I did, whatever system I made in the March did not work. I thought no, we have to make this system. So system, the rules,
so
what I made,
constant
it has to
application
change.
of mind, constant application of mind
Of
for the
course,
benefit of
of
the
course.
members. Yeah,
Yesterday,
true.
yesterday's rule cannot be
Valid
cannot be
today.
followed by today.
Correct.
Yeah.
Things are
Or
changing so
tomorrow, if I
fast.
change something, yes, today I'm change. Then I say, oh, today is not suitable. I have to go for the yesterday's rule.
Correct. So you're continuously thinking
Yes.
for the benefit of the society. Only then you can do all
Correct.
these things.
Benefit
Yeah,
of yes,
yeah,
benefit of
yeah.
the society, my residents,
Right.
always their health and this
True,
one,
true. Yeah,
their requirement.
right. So thank you so much, Mr. Kate. I think you have given a lot of insight into how you're managing the society so successfully and how an honorary job can also be made so effective that everybody can learn from this and are able to emulate for their society and make other societies equally cooperative in nature. Because as you said, now with the COVID, there will be a lot of new normals. So we'll have to adopt to the new normals, and you already started doing that, which shows that you are ahead of your
Yeah.
times. And maybe other societies should
Yes.
also maybe pick up a few things and make their society equally effective and efficient as you have done. Thank you so much, Mr. Kate. It was a pleasure. As I said, I
Welcome.
would be happy to share it with my friends and colleagues and wherever. And I
Yes.
hope a
Yes.
lot of people take advantage of this interview. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Can you share me this also?
I will definitely.
Thank
Pleasure.
you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank